Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the cute little card we're making today. Aren't these little elephants so cute? I love it peeking out from their little holes, from their little circles. So let's start off with the stamping. This is the stamp set Elephant Parade. And we're going to use the elephants, the balloon, the little mousey. It's cute. I'm going to stamp a memento because I want to colour in using the Stampin Blend alcohol markers. So let's stamp. There's one little elephant. Okay, whoops. And we're going to cut everything out using the matching dies. So let's stamp the next little elefante. Make sure he's nicely inked up. There we go. Not sure about that. I think I've actually smudged that a bit. Let's stamp him again. Just down, hold up. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. A little mousey. Very much luck this morning, and I know why as well, because I'm rushing. And when you're rushing, things never go right. And to be honest, I've been filming all morning as well, so I'm tired. This is the fourth video I filmed this morning, so I'm a bit knackered. I'm going to take a break after this and have lunch and then come back and film again. Okay, that is all our little images stamped, and I'll show you the colours I'm going to use. I'm going to use Smoky Slate, light and dark for the elephant. Then for his little ears I'm using, what's this, Petal Pink. For the balloon I'm going to use Real Red, and for my mousey I'm using Crumb Cake. So I'm going to start colouring, and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. So I've cut everything out. I coloured it in, I cut it out using the matching dies. These are then the elephant dies. So I've cut it all out. I also stamped a sentiment, Happy Birthday, that I forgot before, using the Party Puffins Happy Birthday, just in black, and cut that out. So let's start to assemble our card. Our card base here is Starry Sky. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got here a piece of basic white, and this is just going to be for our inserts, and all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, so just take a look and you'll find the link to that down below in the description box. So just put this on the inside. Now I've got a piece of basic white for the outside, measuring exactly the same. Now I've got a piece here of Designer Series paper, and this is the Tea Boutique Designer Series paper. Before I think I used, let me have a look, Butterfly Kisses on the other one, which was that pattern there. but I'm going to use this today, so I've got some scraps as well. I cut out 2 circles from it to make our little windows, and I used the 3rd largest die from this one to Stylish Shapes. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down on our basic white, and I'm just using some Tombows, it's just easier, making sure it's gone everywhere. Okay, and this measures exactly the same as our basic white piece measures, so they should fit nicely on top of each other, just like that. Okay, so now we can have our little critters and decide where we want to put them. Maybe one down here, so let's pop him up on some dimensionals. I think these are some dimensionals I've had spare from a card kit from Stampin Up. So let's put our little Elefante there, and then next door to him we can put his mousy friend. I've got some baby dimensionals somewhere, here they are. I can put a baby one on the bottom, so a big one and a baby one. And there is his mousy friend. And then I'm going to have this balloon sort of, I think, floating up again. So I'm just going to then put a little bit of glue on the tail. Yeah. Difficult to see if anything was coming out. That's sort of going to link the 2 windows together. And then we're going to have this little one here. Some more dimensionals. Okay. Just like that. And let's put this on our card base now before we go any further. So glad I brought up a new tube of Tombow. So much easier than trying to get the last dregs out of the old one. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Now our sentiment, I'm going to pop this up on some, I'll mat it on some yellow designer series paper, and this is from the Butterfly Kisses again. Just going to do that. Get my scissors. I'm just going to cut around the sentiment using my scissors. Just like that. Okay, put that away. And we're just going to pop this up as well. Doing a lot of popping up on this card. Using the dimensionals, that's the end of that sheet. Everything totally used up. All well and good. Okay, let's put this here. And then I've got some of these heart pearls, and I'm going to just use a few I'll use these white ones this time. No, I'm not. I'm going to use these ones. I like the little pearlescent effect. And I'm just going to put one on each elephant and one on the balloon. So one there, and then one more on this elephant just there. Okay, they're the cards. You can tell me which one you prefer, the blue or this stripy sort of rainbow pattern. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. As I said, all the links to my social media, to my blog and everything else is in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.